Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you is there any way you can get ChatGPT plus free trials. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ChatGPT and you simply need to log in into your ChatGPT account and click on try ChatGPT. So once you are here, you can simply need to click on upgrade to plus. So here you can see that there is no free trial, only you can enjoy a free plan in which you can available when demand is low, standard response speed, regular model updates. But if you want to enjoy ChatGPT Plus free, there is no option. You can only use free plan as there is no any option to enjoy ChatGPT Plus free because there is no method to use ChatGPT Plus free trials. So you are able to enjoy the free plan. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.